Once you have finished adding any voice narrations or annotations that you would like to your PowerPoint slides, it's time to go ahead with the next step, and that is saving it as a video or a PowerPoint show. To save it as a PowerPoint show, click on File from the ribbon and click on Save As. From here, you'll have the option of naming your video, and from the drop-down menu where it says PowerPoint Presentation, we want to click on that and look for the option that says PowerPoint Show or .ppsx. When you save something as a PowerPoint show and somebody else goes to open it, it's going to launch it into immediately playing your video presentation. Typically, when you open up a PowerPoint from the beginning, it's in your editing mode where you can add different slides and you can navigate between them. This way, it just plays it right as a movie. I'm going to decide to save this into my OneDrive. So I will go up to my OneDrive. I'm going to save it in a specific location. And you'll notice here that it's saved as a PowerPoint show. And now I can click Save. Once I've saved it into a PowerPoint show, I now have the option of adding that into a OneNote notebook. When I'm in a OneNote notebook, I would go through the steps of going to the Insert button, inserting a file attachment, and then I'm going to search for where I have that PowerPoint show saved. You'll notice that the PowerPoint show icon is a little bit different. It kind of looks like a movie screen now, and I'll go to insert that. After it inserts the PowerPoint show, you can go ahead and click on that to launch it. And you'll notice as soon as you open it, it starts playing the video. When you're finished watching your PowerPoint show, you can hit the escape key to get out of it. Another option that you might want to do instead of inserting a file is to go and insert it as a link. So if you are somebody that has uploaded your PowerPoint show to your OneDrive, you can go down and look for that file. You can click on it and hit the button that says Copy Link. Once you've got the link copied, you can paste that directly into a OneNote notebook. And those are now two different options for your students to be able to view your slideshow. I hope this helps you, and if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to contact one of us.